Ladies and gentlemen, dames en heren, today I've got a new apartment for sale. It's in a block that was built about 5 years ago. It's called the Factory. It is a cloudy morning in the spring day. There's Devil's Peak over there, and let's go and see what it looks like by the entrance. This is the entrance where you'll enter with your car. You can see the Observatory Improvement District is busy cleaning up the street here, and we're going to just go through to the security and access a specific unit that is for sale right now. This guy is 24/7 here, so we're just going to hope to get through here very easily. The parking area is on the other side. Right, I'm through the security and walking now towards the escalator or the lift. There are all the post boxes over here, and we're gonna go up over here. I'm in the lift going up to the second floor. That's where the apartment is. Werner, I'm your estate agent. If you want to know more about this apartment, you should visit my website, hotpropertyincapetown.com, where you can find the floor plan and more detail. And I'm walking down to where this specific unit is. 207. This is 206. This is 205. No, this is 204, and I'll be knocking on the door. Okay, here we are now at the entrance to this apartment. You pay your own electricity. The hot water is a central system that heats the water, but this specific unit has also got a little geyser. The owner reckons that when everybody wants hot water, then there is a shortage of supply, and he ensured that he has got his own extra heater there to make the water hot. One of the two bedrooms, it has both of them has many built-in cupboards. This is the smaller of the two rooms. There's a cupboard here where the dryer is. It's between the bathroom and the living area. This is your entertainment area. Your kitchen is fully fitted here with a stove. You can see the washing machine. The owner has also put in an extra little cupboard here for spices and things. You can see it has granite tops. There's another cupboard over here, storage out of the way, your ironing board and those kind of things. And then we're going to go into what is used as the main bedroom. Very nice and airy and light. It has got more than enough built-in cupboards. Also behind the door here is another set of cupboards, and then enter into your bathroom with shower, water closet, hand basin, and little vanity at the bottom. You can see there are fitted carpets in the bedroom and towels throughout, and this is your view as it is at the moment. So this is very close to AFDA for students at the film school, which this block is very popular with. So when you see some more, contact me for viewing. Werner, I'm your man.